In this video, we're going to show you how to use the latest building safety case functionality in Prism. Okay, to start with, first of all, you go to the properties menu, and within the properties menu, you can see which properties are in scope or out of scope via the BSA field. So select the property you want, as we include in BSA, and you can see the BSA field here. You can put it in scope if it's out of scope, or if it's into, you can put it out of scope. If the property is in scope, like this one, the building safety tab will appear. Select that, and on this tab you have all your relevant safety case information. So to start with, at the top you can define the different roles of people. So you have your principal accountable person, accountable persons, and responsible persons. The principal accountable person, you can select just one person, so there, but the other two roles you can set multiple people. Example there. Okay. Then below that you have your BSA documents section. These are the kind of main documents around that have been introduced with the safety case legislation. To manage these, you use the quick link. On the quick link, you can change the status. So you can see here it's incomplete. I can set it to complete. If it's complete, I can select to completed it, and we can do the by, and then a review date. So the review date is this section or the specific document will need to be reviewed. So for this one on the 25th of July, I will need to review it. You can also upload a file here, and then I can save it. See, it says complete, and my review date's here. Now that review date will go red once the date has elapsed. And there's a very similar situation here. So in the going through safety case documentation, the only difference here is we can link a task to a section. Okay, so for example, this structural assessment section is not linked to a task, so I manage it in the same way as BSA sections under BSA document settings. Change that and set my review date. However, any section which has a linked task, I can manage it by the task itself. First, you notice there's no pencil button here. So if I wanted to manage this section, I would select the task, be taken to the task itself, and then any changes I make here would filter back through into here. So I can manage that each section linked to the task via the task itself. Any files that have been uploaded, you can find via the hyperlinks. So you can see here, there's two files here. If I check here, the both of the files. Similarly, the linked task sections, the files can be found via the task files. It will be taken to the files that are actually within the task itself. The other thing to note here is within the going thread and safety case documentation section, these sections are customizable. We're able to add or remove sections on your request. So please contact us if you would like to do this, and we will configure this for you. Thank you very much.